Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ayush Pawar. Today I am presenting a seminar on the topic Flutter. So, what is Flutter? Flutter is a SDK that makes building high-performing, modern, and beautiful apps easy. It works for both Android and iOS. An open source toolkit developed by Google. It has 100 plus contributions from the open source community. Currently, it is in beta. So, for whom is Flutter for? It is for designers, prototypers, and developers. Designers converge on a brand-driven experience on Android and iOS. Prototypers enjoy a high fidelity and fast way to build working prototypes. Developers benefit from fantastic developer tools, an easy-to-use language, a rich set of wizards, and great IDE supports. Flutter frees up valuable time for working on features and delightful experiences. Now let us see the analogs between HTML, CSS, and Flutter. They look very similar. There is a whole section in Flutter docs that deals with this and helps people familiar with HTML CSS to quickly become productive designers with Flutter. It has many efficient tools. The one is Flutter Doctor. It checks your environment and displays a report to the terminal window. And another one is Flutter Upgrade. It updates both the Flutter SDK and your packages. The next one is Flutter Packages Guide. It checks your environment and displays a report to the terminal window. The next one is Flutter Packages Upgrade. It will retrieve the highest available version of the package. Another one is Flutter Format. It automatically formats the code according to the Flutter style. And the last one is Flutter Analyze. It analyzes your code and helps you to find possible mistakes. One of the most important features is hot reload. The beauty of hot reload is that even after fixing an error, state is still maintained, allowing to quickly iterate. Now let us talk about the power of wizards. It has a great looking and fast working wizards. Flutter team analyzed popular apps and noticed a lot of custom wizards, so Flutter is designed to allow for that. In Flutter, everything is wizard. This could be centering a text by wrapping its center or putting three column items in a row. Flutter has usually two types of wizard. One is stateful wizard and another is stateless wizard. Stateless wizard is used for immutable elements that only rely on the object configuration information. Stateful wizard is used for elements that can dynamically change based on state changes in the system. Every time that state changes, set change is called by the object. This slide shows how the Dart frameworks work. Framework has material, Cupertino, wizards, rendering, animation, painting, gestures, and foundation. Here, each layer builds upon the previous layer. The C++ engine has Sky, Dart, and Text. Sky is some graphics engine that Android uses. This one is built directly upon the source compile whenever you build Flutter. The text engine is from Brink, and the rendering engine is from Chromium. It supports different platform channels. If you are coming from Android, this is very similar to serialization of data and then sending it across a channel similar to an event bus or intent. By using these platform channels, it allows receiving method calls and sending back results. It compiles with native code. There is no reliance on OEM wizards. No bridge is needed. It has structural repainting. Flutter comes with its own wizards and random. No support libraries are needed. It is not depend on OEM updates. Thanks to composition, we can only withdraw but change bit plating moved items that did not change from cache. This is the reactive framework on web. Application uses virtual DOM and compare updates, and platform uses real DOM. Reactive frameworks on mobile application uses virtual wizards and platform uses platform wizards. But by using Flutter, the app begins control of the render and give it more potential for controlling animations. Flutter uses Dart as a programming language. It has several features like dealing with sound type systems, tree shaking rich code libraries, multi-gen local SGCs. Dealing with reactive reviews requires a lot dealing with lot of small objects. Here is Dart super helpful. Other features are single code base for Android and iOS, rapid development cycles, and great tooling. It is originally written in JavaScript and C++. Flutter team tested out about 20 languages until team ended with Dart. It compiles to native, so C++ is not even needed anymore. Running at 60 FPS uses interface created with Flutter platform are for better than those created with cross-platform development frameworks. Coding with Dart and Flutter rekindled the joy I had when I started with mobile development way back when I was a noob. In the last, I want to say that the UI is butter smooth. When building a release version, you never seen such a smooth Android app. You should must try it. Thank you.